Stop. As you can see the thumbnail of this video, stop learning web development without these 9 topics. So what are the topics? So number 1 is what is internet and how internet works. And the second is what are websites and web pages. And the third is what are the web servers and how does it work. And the fourth is what are the web browsers and how does it work. And the fifth is what is web hosting. And the sixth is what is IP, which is known as Internet Protocol. So the seventh topic is what is HTTP. Eighth topic is what is a HTTPS. And the ninth topic is what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Don't worry. The great news is I will covering all the above topics soon in this web development series. So after taking tutorials on these topics, you will be able to teach these topics to anyone. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating tech related content. So feel free to leave any question and suggestion in comments below. So until the next time, stay curious and keep exploring.